Yo, it's your boy Jay Martino, aka Jay the Barber. You're now tuning in to Jay the Barber TV.
Girl, that's free.
Mama, stop playing making beats again.
Trill got that juice, nigga.
I need y'all to stop what y'all doing and go like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And hit the notification bell to get notified when your boy drops a new video. This is a big one, y'all. This is like one of the biggest opportunities I've ever had. Like, this is something that I was praying for that would happen. I've seen other barbers do it. I've seen other barbers get gifted. I've seen other barbers experience, and I always wondered like what it would be like. You know what I mean? To like, you know, get that same opportunity. But the barbering industry is pretty much like, you know, you got the influencer barbers, and you got the regular barbers, and you got the TikTok barbers, you got the Instagram barbers, you got the YouTube barbers. So the industry is divided, you know what I'm saying? And you know, most people's dreams, barbers, are everybody wants to get sponsored by a brand. They want to do the brand ambassador stuff. They want a company to send them free clippers. You know, that's not the main goal of being a barber, but that's everybody's, usually now the average barbers, you know, one of their goals, you know, to get sponsored by a brand, to, you know, get free clippers and free tools from a brand. And I finally got to experience that. Y'all, your boy got sent a PR package. Your boy got sent a nice big hefty box, a nice care package, a nice PR package, a nice donation to the brand, to the Jay the Barber brand. You know what I'm saying? You know, the brand that sent me this PR package is like the Nike of the industry right now. You know, they stepping on necks. You know what I'm saying? You know, I've been using them since they first came out. When they first dropped their like signature trimmer. Their trimmer specifically has always been in my arsenal. You know, from the gold to the black. You know, I really do like their tools, innovation, ergonomics, prices. But needless to say, man, the company sent me a PR package. And y'all, that's how the video gonna go. You know what I mean? We gonna do the unboxing, and I'm gonna drop the prices of each item on the screen as well. When I say these people went above and beyond, they went all out. And I'm very thankful. Like, I'm very thankful. I have been putting in a lot of work in the industry, especially these past couple months. I really been working my butt off, you know. So for a company to see that, and out of the kindness of their heart, you know, be willing to, you know, invest in me and just give me, you know, more than enough stuff, you know, I'm very grateful. I thank God for the opportunity, the person that sent me that. I can't stop thanking them enough, because that's just something that they randomly did. It was a total surprise to me. Before we go on, the company that sent me this is Babyliss. So the senior director of Babyliss is Dennis. Shout out to Dennis. I reached out to him on some business information and stuff like that. And before we continued to even have the conversation, he was like, "Yo, Jay, what's your address?" In my head, I'm like, what do you want my address for? You know what I'm saying? Like, what's the man want my address for? So I sent him my address. You know, he looked at it, and then he left me on red, right? And a few days go by, so I want to, just reach back out and stuff like that. And he just simply said, "I got a nice care package for you on the way." I was like, okay. So in my mind, it's like, okay, you have a package for me. Okay, well, there's only one thing it could really be, some clippers. You know what I'm saying? So I'm thinking he's gonna just send me like, maybe like a combo, like a one trimmer, one clipper type of thing, or maybe one trimmer, or maybe just one clipper, or maybe just a shaver or something. I don't know what it could be, right? So days go by, and it's still in the back of my mind, but I'm not really paying attention to that, right? So I get home and there's a package. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what I saw. Give me 1 second.
Few moments later.
Yo, this is the package. Shout out to Babyless, man. Shout out to Babyless. Shout out to Dennis, man. I can't thank y'all enough for this, man. Like, when he told me that it was a package on the way for me, I was like, bro, what are you talking about? Like, what kind of package? Then I was like, well, it can only be. God, that's how big this box is. It can only be clippers, right? So I'm like, okay, maybe he's sending me 1 clipper. Maybe he's sending me 1 trimmer. Or maybe he's sending me 2. Y'all, when I opened up this box just to look in there, you know what I mean? Just a peep, I almost passed out. I'm talking about I almost passed out. Yo. I don't even think y'all are ready to see what's in this box. I don't even think y'all ready to see what's in this box. I wasn't ready. But this is the box, y'all. Like, y'all see it. I can't even fit it in a stream. Right? You know what I'm saying? So let's get right into it, y'all. Let's get right into it. Listen, like I said, I don't even think y'all ready for it, man. I might have to postpone this video. I don't even think y'all ready for it. I wasn't ready.
Few moments later.
Let's get right into it. Drum roll.
Four moments later.
All right, I gotta put this down because this box is big. So, if I'm saying this box is big, man. How much pounds this thing weigh, man? The box weighs 5 pounds. You can't make this up. You can't make this up. You cannot make this up. But we're gonna get right into it, man. So, first thing Babyless sent me was, boom. This is the Babyless Pro Barbasonic. It's the professional disinfectant solution box. First to market, sonic vibrations, dual soaking compartments, LED removable guard tray, automatic spring lock, auto on/off cleaning cycle, 2-year warranty. This is what it is. You know what I mean? Very innovative. I always wanted one. What this basically is, I'm looking at mine right now. How you have the Barbicide jar. If you ever go to a barber shop, you see the blue liquid. You know what I mean? Barbers, you know what I'm talking about. Barbicide. So instead of having a Barbicide jar, you have the Barbasonic. So what this does is you put the Barbicide solution in here, and it basically cleans your guards and your combs and all your tools by a sonic vibration. So the sonic vibration, according to the box, it releases dirt, hair, grime, and other foreign particles. It has an LED light which illuminates solution during cleaning cycle. It automatically locks. So yeah, like I always wanted one. I'm definitely gonna have. It's kind of. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna put it on my station, because my station, I have a toolbox station, so it's pretty big. But I'm gonna set it up to where it's not going to like take up too much space. But this is definitely something that I really was interested in getting. Shout out to Babyless for sending me this. Next up, we got the Black FX 1 battery system shaver, the all metal interchangeable battery shaver. And what I'm liking? Shout out to Dennis, because he caught the vibe. So my shop is like, as you can see with the walls and the gloves, and the do-rag and the apron and everything around my I have a black aesthetic. So he picked up on the vibes from my page and sent me everything black. I believe only 2 items aren't black, but they're a darker color, so it still fits the aesthetic, right? So this is the all metal, interchangeable, you feel what I'm saying? I'm not gonna take everything out the box just yet, but I do want y'all to see, you feel me? I do want y'all to see how it looks. You feel what I'm saying? I do want y'all to see how it looks. What I'll be doing is, so this video right here is just the unboxing of what's all in the PR package. My next couple of videos, I'll be doing individual videos on each one. Each YouTube short, I'll be doing an unboxing, you know, of each item. You know what I mean? Just so I can keep giving y'all like more content. I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to show y'all what comes in the box. So this is the shaver. It has the battery pack, has the charging stand. It says new NI brushless motor, 10,000 RPM, 4-hour runtime, button for quick release, 4-stage LED, battery indicator, pivoting foil head with locking feature, new ergonomic all metal housing, tapered in cap, includes dual battery voltage charging, base and battery. So shout out to them for sending me this, man. And once again, like I said, I'll be doing a video unboxing each of these by itself, so don't stress too much to know like what all comes in the packaging. I'm gonna definitely have that for y'all soon. So yeah. Next up, we have the UV foil double shaver, limited edition, man. You feel what I'm saying? We got the, man, shout out to them boys, man. 4th item, back with another one. You feel what I'm saying? We back with another one. They sent me another one. You feel what I'm saying? So this is another one. So I don't really use shavers as much. Of course, I'm gonna, you know, probably keep one on my station. You know, keep one for backup, and then when I travel, you know, I'm gonna have one, you know, with my traveling set. This is where things get real good. Get a snack, you feel what I'm saying? Go get a snack, go get a drink. Pause this video, go get a drink, go get a soda, water, whatever, and go get a snack. Kick your feet back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this video because we about to turn up. This is when things get good. Let's get a drum roll. Next up, Babyliss. Shout out to that boy Dennis one more time, man. Dennis did his big one. You all right with me? I don't care what they say about you, bro. You all right with me, man. Babyliss, y'all all right with me. Because y'all didn't have to do it, but y'all did. Little old me, you know what I mean? Getting a PR package. I can't believe it. But next up, we have a highly anticipated, y'all not ready for this, man. Y'all not ready for this. Babyliss, they didn't send me anything old. They sent me the newest of the newest. I'm talking about a tool came fresh off the machine. They packaged it up right off the machine and sent it to you, boy. That's how fresh and new this stuff is. I don't know what to say, but thank you. Next up, y'all, we got the FX1 Low Pro. Yo, the FX1, man, the FX1, and we got the gray. You can't have the gray Low Pro FX1 trimmer without the gray Low Pro FX1 clipper. You can't do it. You can't do it, y'all. You feel what I'm saying? You can't do it, man. You can't do it. But we're not done yet. We're not done yet, y'all. We not done yet. That's all I can say. We not done yet.
We haven't finished yet.
We haven't finished yet.
They sent your boy some more stuff. Y'all gonna like this one. Y'all gonna like this one. So your boy got the Black FX1. You see how my boy Dennis caught the vibes? All black for the all black. Love my people, man. But has an upgraded NI brushless motor interchange. You know, what more can I ask for? But we got one more clip. We got the Black FX1 clip. You know, we got this. We got this. Shout out to Dennis, shout out to Babeless, man. Hopefully, you know, we can do more business in the future. Definitely digging the PR package. Shout out to y'all for sending me it. You know, yeah, and that's really it, man. I just wanted to show that off for y'all, and you know, show y'all what all came with it. It's your boy Jay Martino, aka Jay the Barber, and we out. Let's get it, gang.